Today we're opening a Pokemon booster pack, Sword and Shield Battle Styles, 10 additional game cards. One, two, three to the front. Okay, we have Indeedee. Pouring a pot of tea. Phoebe. Carnivine, Rapid Strike, Big Bite and Triple Whip. A Baltoy, Self-Destruct, oh dear. Gilgar, Salandit, made of clay or Play-Doh. Bronzor, Cacnea, Pignite, single strike, it has Ram and Combustion, it's a reverse holo. Oh, the rare is a Chirim. Stage 1. It has the Spring Bloom ability. As often as you like during your turn, you may attach a Leaf Energy card from your hand to one of your Pokemon that doesn't have a rule box. Very nice.